Hi everyone, welcome to Irish Crochet Lace, and today we're going to talk about the difference in British and American crochet charts. Okay, from the comments in the previous videos I've noticed that you have experienced the problem with understanding the charts, because I assume that most of the viewers are from US, and I'm talking about in British terms of crochet, so it's getting a bit of confusing. As a Russian speaker, I also had a problem with understanding the difference, because in Russian language we have just the chain stitch, and then we count with whether the stitch itself has a yarn over or not. And so generally half a treble, well, single stitch in American, let's say, and double stitch in British would be half a stitch without a yarn over. The double in American and treble would be something like the stitch with one yarn over, the single crochet, and so on. So generally just whether you specify you have a yarn over or you don't have it, and whether it's half or not. But with British and American it's very different because, as I mentioned earlier, in American you got the single crochet, in British it's the double crochet. And generally, if you look at the pattern, obviously that Irish crochet lace patterns always have a double crochet, but they don't have single crochet, so that's why it's getting confused. But generally, how to tell if you have the British term or American? Look for the single crochet. If you find that, that's American term. If you don't find it, that means it's in British. Also, as an engineer, I thought about that, and the only thing I came to a conclusion is that it's my opinion only. I might be wrong, I might be right, but generally, from my point of view, the difference is that British, they count the number of threads on the hook. So you've got once you got all the threads set, you've got 2 threads, so it's double. And as of American terms, they count how many movements you have to make to complete the stitch. So once I've got all the threads, the only thing I have to do is just one movement. If I do the yarn over, and I got all the threads, all the stitches were ready. In British terms, that's treble. It's 1, 2, 3 threads. And talking of American, we've got one movement and the second. Again, this is my personal opinion. I might be wrong, I might be right, I don't know. So we do the double treble, or the treble. So what we have here, we have 4 stitches. So it's 1, 2, 3 plus a double, and in Americans we're talking 1, 2, and 3. So if you keep that in mind, it will be easier for you to follow the pattern. But generally, I'll redo all the videos redo the comments to mention that I use the British terms. But generally, if you subscribe and follow the future videos, you just keep in mind that I use the British terms, just because Irish crochet lace was invented in British Empire. So anyway, that's it for today. Stay tuned, and tomorrow will be another video. But generally, I'm trying to do as much as possible. At the moment I have some spare time from my studies, so I'll do my best. I'll try to make a video every day. Okay, so stay tuned, have fun, and see you tomorrow. Bye.